If you want to add an admin to your Facebook page using your iPhone or Android device, here's how to do it. First, open the Facebook app or visit facebook.com in a browser. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Since you need to manage the page as an admin, tap the drop-down arrow at the top right and switch to the page you want to manage. Once you're managing your page, tap your profile icon again at the bottom right. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down until you find Page Setup, located under Stories, and select it. Now tap on Page Access to see who currently has admin or management permissions. To add someone new, tap Add New. You can then search for the person by typing their name, e.g., Haley. If you want to give them full control over the page, select that option, then tap Give Access. You'll be prompted to enter your Facebook password to confirm the change. Finally, an invite will be sent to the person you added. They won't be an admin right away. They need to accept the invite first. Once they do, they'll have admin access, and that's it. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.